Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to use your automatic transmission when stopped. When you are at the full stop and you're going to move from P, always have your foot brake on, and then go to reverse or go to D, and then again with your handbrake on, go back to P when after using the car and you want to stop. This way the gearbox is in a better way used, and you will preserve the gearbox longer. Also, always stop your car when you want to go from D to reverse or to P. Always go to a full stop, and then use the lever to reverse or drive. Always stop the car and not select a gear while on a move. Thank you.